So did you ever imagine having a device with 64GB of internal storage, 3 to 2GB of RAM that can be expanded to 4 or 6GB respectively with memory fusion for just under 60,000 naira? I'm DTO. Let me introduce you to the TECNO SPARK 8C. Firstly, let's get through with what you get in the box of this device. For the display, it has a 720p LCD panel with 90Hz refresh rate, and you can stream YouTube videos at 1080p. Viewing content on this display is immersive due to the big 6.6 inches panel. The only downsides to the display of this device are the lack of AMOLED and the 2019 style notch. I love the red design of the SPARK 8C, and it's obvious where they got their inspiration from. On the right side of the phone, you find the volume rocker keys as well as the power button. On the left side, you get the SIM card slot, and on the bottom of the phone, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, mouthpiece, a mono speaker that sounds decent, and a micro USB charging port. Yes, you heard right, micro USB charging port in 2022. But comparing it with the price of this device, I think we can let that slide. You can either get the 64GB one with 2GB RAM out of the box for 60,000 naira, or a 64GB one with 3GB RAM out of the box for 67,000 naira, which, as I said earlier, can be expanded to 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM respectively through memory fusion. Now let's get to the cameras. It has a 13MP main sensor at the back. Photos taken with the rear camera are often decent in adequate lighting, although it starts to get grainy in not so favorable conditions, as you can see from these sample images. For the front, we have an 8MP camera. Photos taken with this are often okay also in good lighting, but sometimes the background is blown out when you take photos in portrait mode. You can shoot videos at up to 1080p 30fps on the front and rear cameras. As you would expect, the videos have the same story as the pictures. The 8C runs on the MediaTek Helio A22. For software, it runs on TECNO Zone iOS 7.6 on Android 11. So do you think the SPARK 8C is worth 60,000 naira? Comment down below if you think so. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, share, and turn on post notification bell icon to get notified when I post a new video like this. Peace.